Dear students, today we consider problem number 4, exercise 3.5. Problem number 4 given on pair of linear equation. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. Algebraic method means it may be substitution method, cross multiplication, elimination method. Now number 1, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So this problem is that one charge is fixed, whether you have taken meal or not, meal, dinner or not, but this charge is fixed, and another charge is how many days you have taken. So this one our problem. So when student A takes 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 and 26 days and 1180. Now what is the fixed charge and the cost of food per day? Solution: let the fixed charge be rupees X and the cost of food per day be rupees Y, and the cost of food per day be rupees Y. So now case 1 we consider. X is fixed, whether you have taken meal or not, but X is fixed. So X plus, case 1, X plus a student takes 20 days, that means 20 into Y, and she pays rupees 1000. This one, this is number 1 you consider. Again case 2, X plus how many days? 26 days. 26Y equal to 1180. This is number 2 we get. So 1, 2. Now any method we subtract this x same, we subtract this. Now 1 minus 2. This is elimination method. X cancel, 20 minus 26, this is minus 6y, and this minus this we get minus 180, and y equal to minus 180 by minus 6, this is 30. This implies y equal to 30. Putting the value of y equal to 30 in equation 1, we get, here no restriction, we can put in 1 or 2 also. We get x plus 20y, y is 30 equal to 1000. We get this. Now this x plus 600 equal to 1000, x equal to 1000 minus 600, and x equal to 400. Therefore x equal to 400 and y equal to 30. We get these two values. Now x represent the fixtures, therefore the required fixtures is rupees 400 and the cost of food per day is rupees 30. This too is our answer. The required fixtures is rupees 400 and the cost of food per day is rupees 30. This is our answer. Now we consider one Mosti problem. Problem number 2. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So one fraction is given. If we subtract 1 from numerator, then the fraction is 1 by 3. If we adding 8 to its denominator, then fraction is 1 by 4. Now what is the fraction? No problem, we can easily find the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. X is numerator, y is denominator. But case 1, when 1 is subtracted from numerator, case 1, x minus 1, then the fraction becomes 1 by 3. This is our problem. When 1 is subtracted from numerator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So cross multiplication, 3x minus 3 equal to y, 3x minus y equal to 3. This is number 1. And it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Case 2, x by y plus 8, it becomes 1 by 4. Then multiplying 4x equal to y plus 8 and 4x minus y equal to 8. This is number 2 we get. So these two are required equation. Now we want to find the values of x. This is 3x, this is 4x, different. This is y, this is y. If we subtract this, y will be cancelled. Now 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, then y cancel. 3x minus 4x, we get minus x. 3 minus 8, this is minus 5. Minus minus cancel, we get 5. Putting the value of x equal to 5 in equation 1, we get 3 into 5, x equal to 5 minus y equal to 3. So 15 minus 3 equal to y. 3 taking left hand side, y taking right hand side, and this is 12 equal to y. What we get? Therefore y equal to 12. Therefore x equal to 5, y equal to 12. Therefore the required fraction is 5 by 12, and this is our answer. This solution is very easy, no problem. Just read the question attentionally and write this, and after calculation we get this. Now we consider problem number 3. This problem number 3 given Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks be deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. how many questions were there in the test. Very interesting problem. So if answer is correct, then he will be awarded 3 marks, and wrong answer means deduct 1 mark, and then he getting marks 40. Again 4 marks awarded for correct answer and 2 marks deduct from wrong answer for wrong answer, then he scored 50 marks. Now how many questions in the test? This is our problem. Now solution: let the number of correct answer, let the number of questions of correct answer be x. Let the number of question of correct answer be x, and the number of questions of incorrect answer be y. Let the number of questions of correct answer be x, and the number of questions of incorrect answer be y. Case 1. In case 1, he getting awarded 40 marks. If 3 marks for correct answer, correct is x, then 3x, and wrong answer losing 1 for wrong answer, 1y equal to 40 marks he getting. He score 40 marks. And case 2 given 4 marks for correct answer and deduct 2 marks for wrong answer. 2 marks for wrong answer, he scored 50 marks. This one. If we divide both sides by 2, then twice x minus y equal to 25. This is number 2, this is number 1 we get. Very easy. Just a elimination method. This minus this, y cancel. Then 3x minus 2x is x. 1 minus 2 implies 3x minus 2x is x. 40 minus 25 is 15. The value of x is 15. Putting the value of x equal to 15 in equation 1, we get 3 into 15 minus y equal to 40. This implies 45 minus 40 equal to y, then 5 equal to y equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 15, y equal to 5. Now our requirement, how many questions were there in the test? So total number of questions, this is correct question and this is wrong, then total number of question is this plus this. Therefore, the required total number of questions 15 plus 5 equal to 20, and this is our answer. This is 15 plus 5 equal to 20. We get answer. So very easy solution. So there students, I think the solution is very easy. If this solution is easy and you are feeling these are very easy and interesting, then please like my video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.